For what? Your birthday?
Yeah.
How old are you now?
I'm 5 years
You're
old.
5? And your daddy doesn't know how to park, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the Cabana Bay. And this is the parking to check in. What a fiasco this is. Nice place. Let's go check in, show you guys the room and the pool. Pools, there's 2 of them. Bunch of restaurants. Let's see what's up. You ready? Here we go.
Hey, I'm trying to walk.
That's the Aventura International Drive. Endless summer resorts over there. Pretty cool. You better call somebody.
Hey guys, we are at Cabana Bay Beach Resort. We're at Universal, 6522, 5th floor. This is a 2-queen regular room. Alright, this is end of July 2023. So when you first walk in, here is the bathroom. This might be an accessible room because the bathroom is really spread out and really big. I love the detail to the amenities here. They crack me up. You got Zest and Alberto VO5. So tub shower. There's a full-length mirror on the back of the door. Closet with additional bedding. Safe. Laundry bag. Ironing board. All right, don't mind my family. So, 2 queen. Mr. Vacation Kitty is a nerd.
Mr. Cheese. Keely's birthday.
We are here celebrating our little girl's 5th birthday. Say hi.
Hi.
So again, so it's 2 queen. This is the 2 queen poolside. So everything that is poolside is over on this side, the volcano poolside.
Not too big, not
So there's the Continental Tower, the Americana Tower. Here's the pool with the lazy river. And then right over here is Volcano Bay. You can kind of see the slides in between.
It's okay.
Floor to ceiling windows, just love. And right over here, the hideaway underneath here is really good. Like there's like a bar and a restaurant with great burgers. So there's that over here, and then over on the other pool, there's surrounded by family suites, and that one has Atomic Tonic as well as another little restaurant.
Yeah, it's safe.
So yeah, we are very happy, and we'll see y'all soon.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Exactly.
This is one of 2 pools.
That's water, you know.
I should mute it. Listen to your music.
Bowling up there. We go into the little cafeteria here. There's another restaurant on property called the Hideaway. There's this, and then there's a pizza place. I think they all serve the pizza. Alright, so a little fun fact here. They actually have a microwave here. So if you're here with your family and your kid only eats mac and cheese, you could probably get away with some instant mac and cheese, save you some money.